Today we'll be creating our first post on our blog. Move your mouse to post and hit on post right now. There are no posts. Create a new post. I'm going to hit on a new post. And this is the environment that I will use to create anything that I want to create. Now, I want to insert an image. I will hit on insert image. And I can go ahead and click on choose image. I'm going to choose CSS3 by Steve. I will double click on this. It's now uploading, and very soon it will be done. The file has been uploaded. I'll go ahead and select it. Add selected, and the image will immediately appear here once it is done. So this is the image. I can hit on the image and select large or extra large, or you keep it at the original. You can always change the image anytime you need. See the properties below. Now, I want to add some text here. I will go over here and select the GST biography, copy. I will come down here and paste. Now I've pasted it. I can select all, go over here and hit on justify so that text will be arranged. Now that I've done this, I can always come back here and hit on preview and see how the text and the image will look in real life if a visitor comes to my website. This is how it looks. I can go ahead and close this. I will hit on publish. If I hit on publish, this is already published. Now, you can come back here and open it again and add a title to your posts because it's very, very important. Go over here and add CSS3 by Steve and click on update. So this is how you update things. So you can see that you have created a first post here, CSS3 by Steve. Go ahead and view your blog by hitting on view blog, and it will immediately open for you. You can scroll down, you can see your first post down here, CSS3 by Steve. I believe that this is really very interesting and you really understood it. And I believe that you are really enjoying it right now. So in the next tutorial, I will show you how to add or upload a video post on your website or on your blog. Thank you and see you in the next video.